In this video, we will be providing an overview on our single-use ACL guide wires for use in orthopaedic and trauma surgery. Typically used in ACL reconstruction, these guide wires are also suitable for posterior procedures. They're designed with a suture eye and precision ground drill point. Manufactured to withstand the rigors of surgical procedures, our guide wires deliver consistent and reliable performance, ensuring optimal outcomes for patients undergoing ACL reconstruction. They are individually sterile, packed in tough Tyvek pouches, and are supplied in packs of 10. In addition, each pouch carries 3 peel-off adhesive patient labels for full product traceability. We are committed to our partnership with the NHS to ensure we can offer best value to our NHS customers. As well as ordering direct from Judd Medical, you can also order our ACL guide wires via the NHS supply chain. Trust in our ACL guide wires to help facilitate efficient and effective ACL reconstruction procedures. Contact our customer service team for further information.